Okay, so this is a quick unboxing of the Wire Ultra Dash camera. By the way, I am injured by YouTube, meaning I've done some cutting and I've cut my finger, so sorry for this. Okay, so be careful when you're using YouTube, you can harm yourself. So let's unbox and open this fantastic box. Brand new, just arrived. So, what do I have inside this cam? Maybe I will zoom out a little so we will be able to see it all. Okay, so opening the box. Aha! Inside you have the camera, of course, which is a tiny one. There is a screen protector, and this is a very tiny cam with an LCD display, also protective on the screen itself of the camera. It's very lightweight. And there is why I thank you for choosing limited warranty, and probably the user manual. I'm missing some USB cable, probably inside somewhere. Aha! A very large USB cable. Not large, I mean long. It's a big one. I'll show you how much is the length. It's, I think, maybe by looking, at least 5-meter cable, at least, if not more. And another thing in the box. How do I get another gift? Something from YI. Aha! I forgot about the mounting, of course. So the other box contains all the mounting parts, which are, of course, the things to hold in the window with a vacuum, something plastic vacuum. Of course, there is a screw. You can adjust. What can I adjust here? Not very understood. Maybe I just can disconnect it, not adjust anything. Aha! There is a YI charging, 2 ports charging, which is written a 5V 2.4 ampere. But it is written, I don't understand, and then they are writing 3.4 amp max. Okay, so if you're using one port you can get till 2.4, and the other port will be 1 more amps, so total is 3.4. okay, maybe this is what they meant. And another mounting. Aha! So I have 2 mounting. I see. This one is with 3M tape, which means you stick it once and then you can never take it out. And this is the vacuum that you can remove the vacuum, and I prefer, of course, the 3M one because I need to install it once and I don't want to install it anymore, hopefully. And this is all. So let's go again over the parts. So we have the camera. We have about 5-meter USB cable. One side is USB, the other is a micro USB. Micro? Yes, I think this is micro. We have the charging, 2 ports of charging, up to 2.4 amps in one exit, and both exit 3.4 amp. and two mounting plates. One is with a vacuum and the second is with 3M tape. Of course they have internal battery, so let's see if it is come pre-charged. No, the battery is totally dead, because if I'm pressing the power short or long, doesn't matter, no picture at all. I'm almost sure there should be some battery inside, even if the capacity is small, some battery, because if you turn off your car, you want it to continue for a few seconds, of course to take a video, because otherwise it can be possible that exactly when you are turning off, boom, you have an accident, and you don't want to miss it. That's all. Hope you enjoyed. Hope the movie is in a good resolution and focus, because finally I've learned about the manual focus of this camera. So thank you and bye bye. Two more things that I missed that were in this big box, so you don't want to miss them. One is a handle that I'm not sure for what it is. Maybe it is for taking off the vacuum. I'm not sure, need to read it. And another thing, there is a 16 GB memory card, SD card. Nice. I don't need to buy anything. Of course, 16 GB is a tiny amount of card, but maybe it is okay because we're recording on loop record. So that's all, and bye.